Trowe Salis they greet everybody. Good morning to you and welcome to the Paddy Paddy Show, even though now only me day here. And this, my table, looks like a coffee table. It looks like I'm supposed to have a cup here and breakfast here. But unfortunately, it is just my stories that I have, so I will cope with it. All right, now leave me just day here, and I'll have to find a way to live my life without him today. So you have to help me. Anyhow it is, you have to help me because it's not really easy when your better half on the show has been removed, you know. But then again, his sincere apologies to everybody. Something where in no fit control come up and he had to go. All right, so yes, forgive him for not being here. All right, 37 minutes past 11 a.m. and Paddy Paddy now will be. So yes, here's the thing. We go break. When we come back, I go don't coordinate, don't come. Because if you notice, the way where they talk, the thing, they go left, right, center. You understand? So more just go break. So that when I come back, I go don't couple, don't coordinate myself. It's that simple. So please help me. Let us go on break. Before they know that this, I don't really get a reading. Let's go break. Morning. The boy is so cute. He's so cute. Plus the hair, to the outfit, to the dance steps, to everything. He is just so cute. I want the boy here now. I no presentation with Ogbole again. I want me and the boy here now. So go to Hong Kong because I think the boy is Chinese. Go to Korea or Hong Kong or Japanese or China and go and bring this boy for me. I'm sure his name is Jin Fong or something like that. But yeah, amazing video. All right, so let's just move into the matter. We enter the yarn real quick. All this thing what they do. You understand? Make it just they go. Make 12 just do me and bam, we don't finish. So yarn real quick. Okay, and we are back. So first of all, you have to forgive me because it threw me off balance. That is only me. You understand? It was an impromptu off balance throwing. So I'm trying to get a hang of myself. But I go give you the gist when I come meet you today. Now, this particular issue, it has to do with issue of love. You understand? This gist I want to give you has to do with issue of love. Some people can do the unthinkable for love. You get some things where we say, when love matter don't they enter. Your heart is saying one thing, but even like your brain don't off. Because if you love and your brain still they function well, you're not really in love. Because brain and love, they don't really used to work hand in hand. The brain used to off. The love, it used to take over the medulla oblongata. You go just be like saying I'm more inside. The love don't cover, don't blind everything. That's why they say love is blind. Because if it's not that, some things that make sense to people that are in love will not really make sense to people outside the world. Because when you're in love, you don't really have sense much. That is the truth. This particular woman, she been marry her husband. Her name na Zhong Xinghan. She's China na wa Zhong Xinghan. Xuxihan. Zhong Xinghan. Marry Xi Jinping. It's not my fault. It's the name. Xiping. Xi Jinping. For inside China. They married for 1996. And the year when they marry, then get speaking the following year. Then get born one baby girl the following year. Now, here's the good thing. They live their life very, very beautifully and all until the man, Xi Jinping, can't get accident. The accident, when he gets, can't paralyze him from waist down. All right? The man got paralyzed from waist down. Now, as he gonna get paralyzed, even though they give him about $6,000 worth of compensation, there's nothing like make you get your legs. But he was paralyzed from his waist down. Now, people for area, neighbors, families, don't they tell us, say, I give you 3 months, your wife go leave you, this, that. It's stuck in his head. And because he loves his wife so much, he decided, say, okay, he's going to put pressure on top her so that she go leave him, marry another person. All right? He said, leave me, marry another person, we'll go fit take care of you. The woman said, no, I love you, we die here. Well, 2 of us are going to die on the line. If it's not you, I will die. Let's just die. Now, the man say, come and be going. She said, no, I live with you. It's for better, for worse. But when the pressure don't do too much, she can't say, okay, you know what I go do? So she divorced him because the man puts pressure on her a lot to divorce him. She divorced him. Can't hear what she do. She divorced him, marry him best friend, wey dem dey call Liu Zongwen. Liu Zongwen na him be the best friend. So she divorced her husband wey be Xi Jinping, come marry Liu Zongping. Now that Liu Zongping wey she marry na the best friend of Zhang Zongping wey be the husband. Her own name na Zhu Xinhan. As she married the best friend, so the most interesting part of this whole story be say all of them they live for the same house. You see, she married the best friend and she no abandon the husband. As a matter of fact, she and the best friend where she married, two of them they take care of the guy together. In fact, she don't even born another pikin wey be son, wey be boy for the best friend. Two of them they take care of the guy together. The man said, I get to see my children grow. That now the man where they paralyzed now, the ex-husband. He said, I get to see my children grow. I get to see my child grow. I get to see my ex-wife that she's been taken care of by an abled man. And I'm being taken care of as well. So the arrangement works. The lady talks, say, the married no disturb her taking care of her ex-husband. Say, in fact, she and her new husband, where the guy best friend, they've resolved to take care of the husband for the rest of their days. So 6 of them, plus the ex-husband, plus the Zhang Zongping, where paralyzed. The wife, Zhu Xinhan, where divorce him, where come marry him best friend, Liu Zongwen, Odemeta, and then plus the 3 children where they get. All 6 of them, they live under the same roof. And funny enough, they are happy. So, you see, that's why I say when it comes to this love matter, you can't really think it, because people do the unthinkable for love. So that is just it. That's the story of the 3 people, the story of the 3 Chinese people. So yeah, that's the first gist. The second one when I want to give to you today, don't worry yourself. Story time, story time. When I say I can do this show, only me. Story time, only me. We're gonna die. All of us. Una where they watch me, only me where they here. All of us we end down here today. Nothing. Maybe only me they here. No problem. This one happened in the United States of what? America. The United States of America, this is where this story happened. Now, this particular governor, all right, is the lowest paid governor. He's the lowest paid governor with a salary of $70,000 per month. $70,000 per month, that's the lowest a governor takes. Now, they collect the smallest salary. Let me tell you the amazing thing where the wife do. In wife decided to take up a summer job for inside restaurants as a waitress to support the money where the husband they get. I'm telling you. So, upon say, the husband na governor, she be waitress for inside the restaurant. She been they keep am low profile, make nobody know. But for one campaign when they do, for one town hall, now in the husband come talk, say, see my salary, and I may be the lowest governor when they collect. But my wife, she decided to carry a waitress job to support me for so and so restaurant. So as me and you, they talk so. Now the woman be that, and she is a waitress. So, more don't think and say we just bring this thing, come back here. So I want to imagine it. For example, the Lagos State governor, understand? Making wife just decide, say, she won't begin work for restaurants where then they sell shawarma. Or she won't begin work for restaurants where they sell amala for inside Mujin. Or I didn't think it's possible. I didn't think it's possible. Because it's not even her that is the problem, it's the people around her that is going to finish her with man. That's why when you both people, their life is very simple. Whoa, they didn't really send you much. You want to do waitress, that is your problem. Even though your husband is governor, that is your business. But I think if they try it here, it will first start with the children. No, mommy, you can't do that. Mommy, you can't embarrass us like that. Do you know who we are? We are the children of the governor. Mommy, what's wrong with you? You want to work in a waitress store? No, you can't do that. I think that's what's going to be. But this woman is doing it, supporting her husband's income. That is to make you understand that some things doesn't really matter. We could go break when they come back.
Yeah, first of all, I'll start from the white people. This is how the white people eat their chicken. I'm a Ghanaian. This is how we eat our chicken. Ghanaians. This is how Ghana people eat their chicken. And that's how Nigerians, how they eat their chicken.
Well, you cannot blame us because chicken costs. It depends. If you buy agric, it costs. The bone is very soft. You will eat everything. It's okay because it's your money. You can decide to eat it however you want it. If you buy local, if the bone too hard for you to crack, you carry hammer, hit it, open it. There's one brown thing that is sweet in the center. You will use spoon or knife to scrape it. Eat it. The bone, you still pieces it. You lick it till it's white. Very white. Then you can now throw it away. But if you can eat everything, why wait? Really, why wait? So please, leave us alone. It's our money and we like to eat it like that. And that's why you are going to follow us on Twitter. Please, follow us on Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. Now, don't forget, say, any time of the day, just follow, talk to us on Twitter, and we'll respond back to you any time of the day at Wazobia Paddy. Follow the station on Instagram at Wazobia TVNG, at Wazobia TVNG. You can follow us individually on Instagram and on Twitter. On Instagram is at Mayowa Ekpo. For Ogbolo is at Ogbolo on top Instagram. And then at Mayowa Lambe on Twitter, at Funny Ogbolo on top Twitter. You can even go on Snapchat at Mayowa Ekpo, at Funny Ogbolo on Snapchat. Don't forget to be there on top Facebook as well. Facing us with your problems is okay. Let us write on your wall. Write on our wall. Let's have a wall-to-wall writing. It's very simple. Follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Wazobia TVNG, and search for Paddy, including of youtube.com/Wazobia TVNG, search for Paddy. And on this note, me, myself, and I cannot come and go and kill myself through away because I want to be talking. As you see me like this show will finish. Thank you for watching. God will bless you. Tomorrow, Ogbola has to be here because I cannot do this again tomorrow. Have a nice day. We love you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.